let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark and it was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands were strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew, all the things you'd say they were never true, and the games you'd play, you would always win, But I'll set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Well, I burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, When I lay with you, I could stay there, close my eyes, feel you here, forever, you and me, and nothing's better. 'Cause there's a side to you that I never knew, all the things you'd say they were never true, and the games you'd play, you would always win, But I'll set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flames. When it felt something died, 'cause I knew that was the last time. Sometimes I wake up at the door, the heart you caught must be waiting for you. Even now when we're already over, I can hear myself looking for you. I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flames. When it felt something died, 'cause I knew that was the last time.